all. Welcome back to the channel. So, today we are going to discuss how to make money or get rich using AI. So, AI is no longer a future, it's the present, and it's making people money in ways we have never imagined before. So, whether you are an entrepreneur, freelancer, or just want to have a side hustle, AI can help you in making money faster than ever before. So, in this video, we are going to discuss 7 practical ways to make money using AI step by step. So, don't go anywhere and stay all the way till the end. So, first, let's discuss how AI provide competitive advantage or why things are different from the way it was before. So first, it saves you time. So with the help of AI, you can do a lot of tasks which may have taken hours or maybe 10 plus hours earlier in just few minutes. So whether it is content creation, video editing, scripting, and you name it. So all of these things can be expedited and that provides a huge competitive advantage. Next, it saves money. So previously, if there was a task which required 10 people, you may be able to automate now using AI and one AI agent can do most of the task. So it definitely help you in saving a lot of money. Next is it can help you in scaling up. You can automate a lot of these tasks using AI. Use tools like make.com and other AI agents. And this can help you in generating money where even when you're sleeping. And you might have heard some, experts say, and in future we might have a billion-dollar company run by one person because most of the work will be done by AI. Let's discuss some of the ways you can use to generate money using AI. So first is creating an AI-driven marketing agency. So you can create a marketing agency which create content and marketing, maybe ads for businesses, entrepreneurs, and different kind of people, and charge them a monthly retainer. So you can create social media content, you can create blogs, different kind of marketing materials, whether it's video or text based, and generate various kind of content using AI for different businesses. So let's take an example. Like, there's a local business and it has an Instagram channel, and you ended up becoming a marketing agency, which is managing their Instagram channel. So, like, you can create, say, 30 Instagram posts using AI in one go. You can use things like ChatGPT for creating these posts. You can create different kind of images using AI-based image generators, and then you can schedule all these posts using make.com. So basically, you have created 30 days worth of content for this business in just few minutes or maybe under an hour. And now, like, you can charge this business some kind of a retainer fees. For example, you're charging $500 per month. Now, once you have acquired 10 businesses, you have like, $5,000 per month business. And you can keep on scaling this in a similar manner. So now you might be wondering, hey, how do I find clients? So first, you can reach out to local businesses around you and offer them your service. If they already have some marketing agency working for them, you can charge, significantly less compared to others since you're using AI and you can, reduce your operating expenses and acquire them as a client. Second option could be go on channels or websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and there offer these services where people are already looking for marketing agencies and content creators. Third option could be you can run Facebook ads or any kind of ads and find out these businesses who are looking for marketing agency related services and market them. You can create these ads, different material using AI, ChatGPT, Perplexity, or any LLM model you want to use, and then keep on acquiring clients. So if you're liking our content so far, then I'd like to request you like and subscribe the channel. We are a small growing channel trying to reach our first 1,000 subscriber, and this really helps us in reaching out to people like you and also sharing more content with you in future. Now, second way to make money is by becoming a social media influencer. So you can create a social media account, either an Instagram or a TikTok profile, and then start posting content using AI. Now, if you don't want to show your own face, then you can also create an AI influencer. And we have posted a video recently on how to create an AI influencer. And some of these AI influencers are making $10,000 or more per month. So how can you do this? So first, find a niche on which you want to focus. So pick something which you really like and you want to learn more about or share with world so that you can keep doing it for a long period of time. As building a social media channel takes time. Second, use AI. Again, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, any model you can use. Create content for next 20, 30 days. Create corresponding images and then put them in tools which will post it automatically, something like make.com or anything else you like. And then observe how your content is doing in next 20, 30 days. What's working, what's not working, what people are looking for. And then double down on what's working and keep automating and scaling up your channel this way. You can also create a blog using AI. You can also create a YouTube channel, create YouTube scripts using AI. People are also creating faceless channel where AI generated videos are being shared. So possibilities are endless. Once you have established channel, you can monetize either through channel itself if they pay based on the views, like in YouTube, or you can start doing affiliate marketing. You can start getting sponsors, and so on and so forth to make money using this way. Third option is to build websites using AI. So we have already shared a video on different tools which you can use to create websites using AI, and you can check it out on our channel. But at a basic level, AI can help you in building a website in just few minutes. So, once you acquire customer, find out people who are looking to build website, either on channels like Fiverr, Upwork, or, by doing proactive outreach to businesses near you who may not have a good looking website or who may not have any internet presence, and start building websites for them. And the beauty of this thing is for websites, depending on the client and what they're looking for, you can charge anywhere from $500 to even $10,000, and sky's the limit. Once you figure out lead generation process and start acquiring customer, you can keep churning out the website very quickly using AI and charge a monthly retainer or whatever, right? So you may charge say $5,000 to build a website and charge say $50, $100 retainer to make changes, updates, or whatever is needed, and have a established business. So again, here AI is helping you in doing something which was very time consuming and tedious earlier. The people who have built website themselves will know that it takes like countless hours in designing, developing a website, hosting it, installing plugins, and doing so many things. But with AI, you can do these things in minutes and keep scaling your business. So number four is AI video or voiceover creation. Not a big fan of being in front of camera? No problem. You can use AI to create videos and start generating money using these videos. So you can use tools like Hagen or Synthesia and start generating AI-based videos and sell these videos either as a video ads or different kind of videos which businesses can use. We have already created videos on how to use these tools previously. So feel free to check out our videos on Hagen and Synthesia. You can also, start a YouTube channel or start posting content on TikTok and different video channels using this technique and these tools. We have discussed this little bit earlier, so I'll not go too much into detail. Now, another thing is you can also create podcasts, audio podcast, or voiceover using AI. So there are tools like 11 Labs where you can first use AI to create a lot of content and then put this text, and AI will create a very interactive podcast for you using these texts, and then you can upload it in any of the podcast services available. And some of you may know, like creating video content or podcast was such a time consuming process earlier. First you need to record it, edit it, publish it, and used to take countless hours, but not anymore. With AI, you can do most of these things in just a matter of few minutes. So number five is video editing services using AI. So a lot of people currently pay a huge amount of money to get videos edited. So from YouTube creators to businesses, you can acquire a lot of different kind of clients and edit videos for them in just few minutes using AI. There are a lot of affordable video editing software which are based on AI available in market, like Descript, InVideo. And what they basically do is like, first they'll convert your video which you have uploaded into a text. And then you can start editing text, and all the corresponding changes will reflect in in the video. So practically, you can keep editing text quickly and get a video and having a great quality. Now, another thing which you can use using some of these softwares is you put your video and generate multiple clips out of it. And then you can start posting these clips either as YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels or on TikTok and reach out to thousands of, audience. So same video, you can first edit it and then create multiple short form videos using these softwares and grow channel either for your customers or for yourself. Number six is creating AI powered chatbots or automation services. Now businesses need automation, to scale up, and AI can help in handling customer requests, generating leads, and doing a lot of tasks in an automated manner. So you can create, chatbots or AI agents for these businesses and sell these as a service to a business and earn monthly revenue out of it. So for example, you're helping a business in handling a lot of customer service related requests using a chatbot or AI agent. Then first, they'll save a lot of money, by not having to hire additional folks to service these customers. Secondly, customers will have a good experience, and a lot of their queries are getting solved pretty quickly. So everybody is having a win-win situation. And then you can charge a monthly fees on these agents or bots, similar to a SaaS-based model, and keep scaling it up. Similarly, there are a lot of businesses which are kind of, deal with a lot of data and they have to do a lot of analysis, maybe bookkeeping or something like that. And there also you can bring AI and automate a lot of these tedious, time consuming tasks and help businesses in saving time and money. And again, charge for these automations which you create for them on a kind of monthly subscription basis. So, number seven is AI image and graphic design services. So, graphic design is now easier than ever thanks to AI. There are countless software, paid and free, which you can use to convert text to images and create stunning graphics in matter of few seconds. So you can create either applications which can do this thing, or you can offer this as a service. So I know somebody created an app which converts your regular picture into a professional picture, which you can put on LinkedIn and all, and they charge some amount of money. So that's one way to do it, creating an app. Or you can sell graphic designs on websites like Fiverr and Upwork. So there are people who are looking for logos. So you can again use AI to quickly generate different kind of logos. There are people who are looking for a book cover design and different kind of design option for their social media pages and all. And you can do all of these things using this AI image generator. So this is just a beginning. We shared here around 7 ways to generate money, but there are a number of ways which are coming as we go along. New LLM models are being released on a day-to-day basis, and this will open up for hundreds of different options to generate money. So with AI, either you can learn AI and have competitive advantage and get ahead compared to others, or if you don't know AI, then people who know AI will be getting ahead of you. So I hope you learned something out of this video. If there's anything specific you want us to discuss, then please leave a comment below and we'll discuss those topics. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.